Now we're going to try to feed the two littlest ones. Yeah, see his crop? His crop right there. Come here, Poopsie. There's that little pouch under his neck. You can kind of see from behind. There's little hollows right here and right here. When the crop is really, really full, they look yellowy. Oh, this is going to be a tough one. Little face. Come on, baby. Have a nibble. Good job. Good job. Come on, Greenie. Can you come down here and keep this little birdie company? Oh, come on. Keep him company while I try feeding his giant brother. Parakeets are born every other day. This parakeet in my left hand hatched 2 days before this parakeet. Look at the size difference. They grow really fast. Come on, Peanut. Open up. There you go. Oh, that was good. That was good. It's a good start. There you go. Once they learn how to use the syringe, I really need a smaller one, I think, for the little birdies. They gobble. Yeah, I hear you talking. You're on my shoulder talking, huh? Alright, it was a nice try. There's 2 eggs in the bowl. We're from the same clutch, and the 2 eggs are number 6 and 7. Oh, sweetie. And they didn't hatch. Really surprised me that this little birdie laid 7 eggs. That's a large number. Oh, I might have to do the toothpick method with him. Squirt a little on a toothpick. Open it up. There you go. Come on. There you go. That's better. Like a little plucked chicken. You're a good baby. What a sweet little voice they have when they're this little. There you go. Nibble on a little. There you go. That's the way. Go. See, what the mother bird does is chews up seeds and regurgitates them in this little paste, something like this stuff right here, into the baby bird's mouth. She puts her beak inside of his beak, opens his mouth, and feeds him the mixture. If you want your birdies to be tame, you have to participate in feeding them. They cry like that when they're hungry, when you're feeding them, when the mother feeds them, or the daddy feeds them. It's a way of saying, more! Uh-oh. There. Oh, there he is. He's opening his mouth like a good birdie. Open up! Open up for me, please. Oh, good job. I'll wipe his face. I might be able to get this syringe in there now that he's opening up for me. Come on, Tweety, please. Nah, he's not ready. not quite ready for that. Good job. Good job, little one. Ah, he looks pretty full now. They don't eat much. Come here, a little more. There. See if we can get Big Brother to try it that way. Give me that toenail. Boy, you got big feet for a little bird. Yeah. Oh, you want more, huh? Well, how about you try the syringe? Let me just put a little right there. Huh. Strong little munchkin. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, fuss budget. Alright, here. Open big. Open big. Oops. I know. I'm a messy feeder. Come on. Oh, good baby. Good job. Doing a good job. Running out of steam, huh? Oh, he's falling asleep. Alrighty.